You have to be a bit crazy to be an entrepreneur, because you have to actually feel like you are that successful entrepreneur that you want to be. You have to feel like you are that person already, even before you are that person, if that makes sense. Because in order to get something you don't have, we have to become someone that we are not right now. And in order to get what you want, you have to do different actions. And therefore, we have to become someone new. We have to change our actions, change what we do every day, change how we look, so that we are that entrepreneur before we are it, if that makes sense. And also you have to embrace being different, because there's very few entrepreneurs in the world, so you're not the norm, you're not like everyone else. So don't try to fit in, because then you won't be an entrepreneur. You have to be different, and you have to have a growth mindset and be able to figure out solutions to problems that your niche has. That's what an entrepreneur does. They may have come up with solutions to problems. So embrace being different, embrace being crazy. Give me a like, follow, and subscribe.